Oh, we got him.
Moving, I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't know what I'm about. Unless you heard it from me, then you ain't heard it from me. Got it from me, with the energy extra. I know that I need that now, so I gotta go find my way.
Oh shit, we had one. Oh, we got him. I can't believe that. What is it? That's good, whatever it is. Oh, it's a largemouth, I think. It is. Oh, it's a nice one. We gotta put him on the scale. We caught him on a light rod. Yes. I'd say he's over 2. Yep, exactly. Just about 2.5. 2 pounds 7 ounces. That's kind of jumping to 2 pounds 8 ounces. That's a good one. Get him some water and take a picture. Damn, we only got we caught him just in time. We only have 8% battery left. Let's get a release on this guy. Two on this piece, and I still got the piece left.
Cool. Cool.
Only bite of the night. We got him.
Got him.
Oh, now he's pretty good.
Now he's mad. Oh, that's a good one.
Oh yeah.
It's probably the first one you pulled up.
Yeah. Yeah, this braid's about 10 pounds, but the leader is only 8 pounds.
Got him.
Got him?
Here, I'll take this one this way.
Yeah, I need to get him away from this over here. Oh, dude, look.
That's a nice one. Mine's smaller.
Oh, don't break, don't. Ah.
Oh,
Damn it.
popped off the hook.
Oh, we got one. We got one, boys.
That's 10 push-ups, dog.
No. Oh, it's a little largemouth. Day of the dinks.
10 push-ups, dog. It don't matter if it's a dink or not.
I thought I was stuck on a rock. Come here. He's not bad. No. Be careful.
Especially be careful with the seats.
Yeah. I was just gonna say I don't want to get any kind of slime or blood or anything on you.
No, all that other crap's fine. Just no holes in the seat.
Damn it. Freaking,
That other stuff comes out.
freaking plier. There we go.
Oh, dog, get him. Bring him in the boat.
There's one.
Get him and bring him in the boat, dog. It still counts for the 10 push-ups.
Oh shit. We got him, boys. Little, maybe 5, 6, maybe half a pound.
I thought you were going to say 5 pounder. I was
gonna say like 5 ounces. All right, see what?
You need a picture?
Yeah. I mean, he's not big enough, but just since it's like on a boat and shit.
I can take it on my phone.
All right, yeah, and send it to me.
One. Wait,
I'm gonna go.
let me get that life jacket out of the way. 1, 2, 3. All right.
Thanks, man.
It's all good. Now I'm gonna need to do those 10 push-ups.
I might have to do. Think I'm long or short enough to do it back here?
Do them up here, bro.
Yeah.
I'll move out of your way.
All right.
I still owe 10.
Nah, I don't think I got enough. Here we go. All right. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And that's what's up, dog.
I don't know if they were perfect, but I didn't have much room. Oh my God, dude. That is a nice one. Well, decent.
That's number 2, guys.
Yep. You popped off. You seen him though.
That's a half.
Yeah. He looked like the size of the other one, but he fought a lot harder. Man, you're right. You don't get one. You got to really work a point. Is this like some kind of flat? Oh.
Nah, it's a point.
Dude, this is not. Oh, that's got to. I think that's a largemouth. The way he shook his head like that. He feels nice.
Large mouth.
Yep. Oh, be careful. Boat flip. Not bad.
It's starting to get bigger.
Yeah. Be very careful, buddy. We'll be nice to you. We'll try to be. Yes. He's maybe a pounder. He's pretty thick.
Here, you want me to take a picture?
Yeah, this one's a little better.
1, 2, 3. All right.
Sweet. Oh, dude. Oh, that was a nice one.
Fuck, that was a good smallmouth.
I'd guess at close to around 3.
I'd agree with that. Sadly.
If he was under, it wasn't by much, and he might have been over. But I'd say right around 3 pounds. Oh yeah, that's why we got the portable battery pack.